so it's not a whole lot of light out here, but at the same time I'm standing by the Christmas lights, as you can see, and I mean it's kind of lighting me up pretty well. We out here checking out the lights. It's a pretty nice little background, you see what I'm saying? Looks pretty nice, you know. But this is a super low light test. I'm talking super low light test. I'm trying to get it to where the lights is kind of like on me a little bit. Hopefully the flickering ain't bothering people, but this is a super low light test. When you got lights out here like this, I feel like this low light quality good, and I'm not using any external mics either. No external mics or anything. I feel like as long as there's some kind of light out, you can see stuff. You know what I'm saying? You can see something as long as there's lights out. I'm really overly impressed with this GoPro Hero 11 Black quality. I just can't lie. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't impressed, especially coming from my Hero 5 Black. You know, this is 6 iterations right here. I'm overly impressed. Look at this. Look how good that looks.